Welcome. Today in front of me Vivo V23, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So first we'll open our box. Here we get a lot of different accessories, and inside of this box we can find the 3.5mm headphones adapters to our headphones, so you can use it by this way. Just first use the adapter here, and after that just connect headphones here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.